Welcome. This is a 5-minute full body yoga tune-up to help get the body moving and energy flowing. Come to standing at the top of the mat. Begin circulating the neck, so just really feeling out all the clicks and ticks here. And maybe taking this moment to really connect to the moment, to the body. Opposite direction. Remember being really present here. Perfect. Begin circulating the wrists. Opposite direction. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, sliding the left hand down your hip, reaching the right hand overhead. Inhaling, both hands overhead. Exhale, sliding the right hand down the right hip, left hand overhead. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, taking a fold, maybe bending at the knees if that feels good. Inhale to half lift, nice flat back. Exhale, step back for plank. Lowering halfway for chaturanga. Inhaling for up dog. Exhaling for down dog, sending the hips up nice and high here. Walk it out, bending one knee at a time. Inhale, stepping to the top of the mat. Come into your half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step the left foot back. Inhale, hands overhead for high lunge. Exhale, opening up to the left side for warrior two. Straightening the right leg. Inhale, reaching the right hand forward. Reach, reach, reach. On the exhale, planting the right hand to the right leg, so either the thigh or shin for Trikonasana. Option here to bind the left arm. On an inhale, release, transitioning to high lunge. Exhale, stepping back for plank, lowering halfway. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step to the top of the mat, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to standing, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, take your fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, stepping the right foot back. Inhale for high lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Straightening the left leg. Inhale, reaching the left hand forward. Again, reaching all the way forward here on the exhale for Trikonasana. Bind here if it is available today. On an inhale for high lunge. Exhale, plank, lower halfway. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Drop the knees for tabletop. On an inhale, we'll go ahead and drop the belly, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. So continuing here, syncing breath with movement, going at your own pace. When you're ready, sending the hips down for child's pose. Taking in a full inhale here. Full exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back. No tension in the arms or the feet. Next, inhale, release, coming all the way up. Take your time. On an inhale, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.